Hey guys, welcome back to another Animal Rivals video. Well, anyways, if you haven't seen the title or thumbnail, I'm gonna be using the most insane loadout ever. And trust me, you're gonna want to stay tuned, because it's funny seeing people's reactions whenever I use this insane loadout against them. Well, anyways, enough yapping, let's get straight into the video. So recently, Animal Rivals had like a new update where they did balance and nerfs to many different weapons, like RPG, sniper. They all suck now. Well, anyways, people found out the new meta is colorless right here. It does 133 damage whenever you go like this, and it's insane because you can also block the bullets. I also got revolver because this gun is like the best weapon in my opinion, and SMG, the second best weapon. And to top it off, we got a sticky nade because it's just goated. Well, anyways, enough yapping. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so first round. Alright.
Match starting.
I just need my team to do like 100 damage or distract one.
Round starting.
Then he'll be a goated teammate. W assist. Auto shot.
It made that for the half.
Alright. Yo, my teammate's cooking. Yo, he did 18 damage. I'm proud of him, bro. What an absolute beast. Alright. I'm rushing.
That's how I hit everlasting.
What is it? Why are you targeting me? Hey, yo. Yo, this ball is so dry. Oh. Yo, his teammate left. Yo, I have a bigger monk on my team. Yo, I just made a rage quit. Yo, that's insane. Wait. Yo, teammate. Oh, bro, I was gonna like congrats him. Like, he went against like 2 high ranks. Let it go. I made them rage quit, bro. This bro is so good, bro. Alright, let's get to the second round, though. Okay. Alright. That guy's a part of the Ace Clan, but my Wi-Fi is so bad. Holy.
Match starting.
yo, my bad. Oh my. Yo, my bad for the McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Round starting.
Oh, I just carried. Yo, carried an Ace player, by the way. Pretty sure he's an Ace player. Aren't you like a top 3 clan? Yo, that's why I'm low-key starting my own clan. Like, I just realized how easy it is. Oh, I'm stuck. Nice, got him. That nice teammate. Yo, colorless is so broken, bro.
Stop the cap.
Yo, I used to hate it, but now I love it so much.
Round starting.
Oh, I missed the shot. Come on, don't double team me. Watch me cook. He's so low. Yo, he's so lucky. He's like one tap, bro. I have the 180. That's insane. Alright.
Round starting.
No, he's shotgun saving, but holy, I can't see anything. Where is he? Oh my, yo. His shotgun saving him so much, it's so annoying. Yo. Yeah, but in order to use it well, you have to have crazy colors. And now you're like a city duck. Holy, I'm getting targeted! What is this? Alright. Oh, wait. Yo, I got targeted, bro. Look, they're getting so lucky. We have way more damage than them. Insane.
Round starting.
What is bro aiming up? Help? He just got 200. He got lucky! Yo, their shotguns are saving them. What is this? Yo, you're low-key kind of selling though.
about to cap.
Yo, I thought for an ace player, it would be so good. Oh my, I'm getting double teamed. I hope he doesn't sell. Nah, he's getting sell. Yo, the shotguns are so annoying. Whew. Oh, this is actually a challenging now. Okay. Oh my god. Yo, where's the ace player on the... Oh, I hit him for so much. No way you sell that, bro. Yo, it's like my same teammate, bro. I hope he didn't cook. What an absolute goat. He came back from round 2. He said, nah, I'd win. What an absolute legend, bro.
Yeah, you got this toast.
Yo, what? Oh no, he might know me. Alright, so all you have to, all you gotta do Jimmy, is just distract one, you can easily win. 'Cause if I get double teamed, it's so GG's, bro.
Round starting.
Oh, he's trapping. Haha, you my nade. He's so low. Let's go. W cutlass, bro. W cutlass. It's so good, especially for like double team. Hey, if you're getting double team with like next to each other, just boom, cutlass spam, bro. I love this melee.
Round starting.
So good. Oh my, he's using shotgun. Bro, he's using shotgun now. No. He has the result to no skill. Alright.
Round starting.
Say one line, bro. Say one line. 96, let's go. Come on, Cutlass. What an absolute legend, Cutlass. Come on. Stab him once. Let's go. W Cutlass right there, bro. Holy, so good. Oh, why are we using shotgun though? It was a close round.
Round starting.
It shouldn't even be a close round since like they're like supposed to be good. No, I'm gonna get 200 pumped. Come on, Cutlass clutch. Come on, Cutlass. No, he got so lucky. I didn't stab him once before. I just sold the bag. Ay. Alright, my bad teammate. Looking my fault.
Round starting.
He's coming straight, bro.
He's one tap. No, his shotgun. No. Wait. Yo, teammate, you got shotgun? Yo, they're spamming shotgun. I need you to back me up with your shotgun as well. You have shotgun, teammate? Do you have shotgun? No? No, we're so good.
Round starting.
Please.
Oh, damn it, no shot.
Bro, his shotgun's so annoying. He's just depending on that. He's rushing me with it. Holy, he went in for the double team right away. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Yo, your teammate's using shotgun, bruh.
Round starting.
He's using it as well? No! I didn't hit him with cutlass. Oh my, I just got double teamed. Anyone lie, bro? Bro, they got the rezone double teaming. I can't do nothing against that. Yo. How am I supposed to counter that, bro?
Round starting.
I'm just gonna stay back to this.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, this kid! I'm getting double teamed!
We're good.
Bro, why are we targeting me, yo?
I didn't. I walked up behind you and I thought you were.
Yo, I have this on video, bro. Be serious right now? Why are we targeting me?
You had what on video? Us winning, bro.
Yo, I could have won that easily if you guys came one by serious right now.
Yeah, only.
Rematch shot,
Only
rematch
if you didn't
shot.
have Galactic Stingray as your teammate.
What do you mean?
I think I'm good, bro.
Bro, that's gonna be it for today's video, bro. L Streak Farmers, bro. If they didn't have to target me and double team me, I could have won that with the big monk on my team. That's just honestly sad. You guys were so desperate for that streak, bro. But anyways, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep posting long forms every single 2 days. They're gonna be absolutely bangers, bro. I hope I get I hope I get Director of War on July 20th, because I've been grinding for such a long time for it. But anyways, see ya.